Assalamualaikum. Today we have Hyundai Elantra 2016, and the problem is, as you can see, steering angle sensor 16 reading, but it's 0 maybe. Okay, and then the problem is you go straight, and you can see automatic and steering go left side. Okay, you can see okay. Now I have to just do one thing only. There is no code. I have read the code. No code, but I know what is the problem. Only you just have to do steering angle sensor calibration. Okay. First of all, steering straight. Ignition on is running. Okay, press OK. Okay, ignition is completed. Turn the ignition switch off. And wait for it. 15-second wait. And now turn the ignition off and press OK. Okay, start the vehicle and we enter in the live data. As you can see, there is only 0 reading. Maybe this is a little bit not a problem, just big problem. Okay, now we have to do test drive. Okay, as you can see, if I leave steering here, steering goes at rate. I leave here and it became automatic straight, not going left or right. Now it's straight as this. Okay, just some people need do balancing, some people change balancing rod, some people change even steering rod, steering column, complete set. But the problem same as this people, as this customer who do the same things. Now he came in the workshop. I just have a little bit idea because I 2-3 times same problem. I do this and problem is okay. And I found the video on the internet. No video got I related this problem. No any column on Google. Just these things only. You have to do just one thing only: steering angle sensor calibration through scanner. As you can see now, not left, right, and steering angle sensor. Check reading. This is little bit no problem, but more than 15 angle problem. Okay, thank you for watching.